In this video, I'm going to talk about how to reset sound setting in Windows 11 and how you can do this. So if you're going through any kind of an issue with the sound on your or audio kind of an issue on a computer, both on PC and laptop, this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to go over here at the bottom and you can see there is a speaker icon and you have to right click on this and go to open volume mixer. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down and there is an option called reset sound device and volume so all adds to recommended defaults. Go for the reset so everything will be reset from here, and this is one of the steps you can try. Now we have two more steps. The next one is all about what we need to do is we have to go over here in the same, then we have to right click and click on sound setting. Now from here at the bottom, if you scroll it down, you can see there is an option called more sound setting in which you have to click on this. Now that is going to take you this over here and select the speaker, whatever it's been enabled here. You have to select it and go to the properties, and from here go to the spatial sound. And there is an option called restore default and just go for it so that everything will be restored and you can check it as well. The third step is all about, it's very quite simple. What you need to do is we have to go over here in the start, right click and directly navigate to the device manager. Now, once you're getting to the device manager, what you need to do is we just need to wait. So this will completely load up and you can try expanding this. Now from here, navigate to the sound, video and game controllers and click on this. Now from here, you have to select the right speaker that you're using. So in my case, what I'm saying is what I'm using so far is high definition audio device. This is my speaker. So I have to right click, go to update driver. Now from here, click on browse my computer for the driver. Let me pick available list of drivers on computer. This option should be selected and you just need to select this and go for the next. Now the drive will be up to date. Then afterwards you can do a restart and most probably all kinds of things will be done. And this is what we have to do, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.